Good morning, dear parents and guardians. Today is indeed a happy day as we acknowledge the hard work and perseverance of our dear students. I thank our dear teachers for guiding them, and I thank you also, dear parents and guardians, for your never-ending support to our students. Dear students, are you listening? Very good. Remember that learning never stops. It is advisable to master basic skills every chance you get. So, since schoolwork is on a break for now, housework should take its place. Am I right, parents? Master the skills of washing the dishes. You are smiling. Huh? Have you mastered that skill? Fixing your bed. You sure? Cleaning your room or your cabinet. Sure. Yeah? Or learn how to cook. Not hot dog. No, not hot dog.